So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial at our channel. Today we're taking a look at an AI video and knowledge generator tool named Google Sparkify. Google Sparkify is an experimental AI platform developed by Google that turns ideas, questions or concepts into short animated videos. It is designed to explain complex topics visually using AI-generated scenes, narrations, and animations. It mainly targets education, content creation, and quick visual storytelling. Sparkly focuses on turning text to animated videos in a very short time. Key features include generates an animated explainer videos from Google and simple prompts. Uses AI models like Gemini and VAO for visual and narration. It supports text, image, and web-based inputs and automatically structures scripts into easy-to-understand explanations. Produces short educational-style videos in minutes and of course designed for learning, teaching, and content creation. It's especially powerful for turning complex ideas into simple visual explanations. Even though it's powerful, Sparkify still has limitations. It is experimental, not fully stable or widely available yet. Limited creative control compared to professional video editors, and output style is mostly educational or animated, not cinematic. The access may be restricted or not available in all regions and still evolving, so features can change or be incomplete. So Sparkify is a promising AI tool for fast educational video generation, especially for explaining ideas visually. However, it's still an experimental stage, so it's better seen as a future-facing tool rather than a fully polished platform. It's best for education, explainer videos, and content creators, and it's not ideal for professional filmmaking or full creative control. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.